Namaskar. Hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing two items from my collection. So let's start. This is a block of four stamps belonging to a former convention state of British India, which was Patiala state. The portrait which you see is of Queen Victoria, the one who succeeded King William. The denomination is 2 annas. India postage is printed on it. The year of issue is 1887 to 1901. The color is blue. During 1864 to 1886, six Indian states agreed postal convention with the imperial government. The states were Chamba, Patiala, Faridkot, Gwalior, Jind, and Nabha. All of them joined their postal services to that of British India using overprint India stamps. Now moving on to the next item. The next item is also a block of four stamps belonging to a formal convention state of British India, which was Nabha state. As you can see, East India postage is printed on it. The portrait is of Queen Victoria. The denomination is 6 annas. The year of issue is 1885 to 1897. The color is Bistre brown. The, the stamps which you see on your screens were printed at Calcutta by the Government of India Central Printing Press. These stamps belonging to the convention states were valid throughout India, and on January 1, 1951, these stamps were replaced by India stamps. Thank you for watching it.